Okay, hi everyone. Today I have the Bosch GSC 160 and it's working noisy, and I think it will be the armature fault. Okay, so we need to disassemble it. For the first, of course, we need to remove the back cover. I will change the bit to the proper one I need. Okay, so back cover is removed. You can see some, I don't know, noise suppressor or control circuits. Okay. Okay, so now we can see the carbon brushes. Just removing the spring. Taking out the carbon brush. Okay, I think it's not a genuine carbon brush. Okay. It looks like not genuine. Okay. What we can do now, we can remove the second carbon brush. Okay. So we can see it's looking not good, really not good. So from that we can tell the armature working not properly. Okay, so now removing the gear housing here. It's a 4 screws here. Okay, you can see that the gear looks fine. It's a grease, nice grease here inside, so it looks nice. Okay, now how about the armature? Okay, we can hear that the ball bearing is out of grease, it's without a grease. Okay, so and this one all wobbling here. I will try to close it out to check that. Okay, it's not going easily. Okay, it's out. Okay, I broke. Oh, it's a. Okay, it's a ring holding the ball bearing. Why the fuck they did that? Okay, so it's. So you can hear this ball bearing is really bad. Okay, so the armature looks good, but the carbon brush looks not good, really not good. So okay, we need to check the field. Okay, the field looks good. Okay, so I think we need a new ball bearings, and then we can test this tool if it works or not. So okay, of course I will do that and make another video. So thank you for watching. It was a fast video, very easy tool to disassemble and to inspect it. Okay, so please subscribe on my channel. Of course, press on advertisements because I'm getting money for that and I want to buy a new camera for making videos. So okay, and see you in my next videos. Bye.